What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm going to be talking about this touring right here. I'm making this video because I'm going to be replacing the suspension components on this. I just ordered a package from 1A Auto. It's a 14-piece suspension kit. I'm getting new uppers, new lowers, tie-in rods, sway links. I mean, you name it. Ordered from 1A Auto. It came in today. And I'm going to be getting an appointment set up Thursday, taking this car to get the suspension work done on it. A little while back ago, I had an issue with this car where I was taking it to work one day. And as soon as I got to the top of my driveway, the ball joint decided to give out on the driver's side. It's since then been replaced. But the whole suspension underneath for the steering and all that, it needs to be replaced. If you can see this side right here, it kind of has like a little lean inward to it, a little camber. I did lubricate it. That's why it looks white. Because whenever I would go over bumps, you will hear that. It's just a matter of time for this ball joint gives out too, honestly. Little fun fact, this car is from Virginia, or West Virginia. So pretty sure the suspension needs to be replaced from rusted parts and whatnot. I looked underneath. This car doesn't have any rust to it. Just the suspension is worn on this car. So I'll take you guys inside and I'll show you what I ordered. But tomorrow I'm going to be detailing this engine, degreasing it and cleaning it, because Thursday, like I said, I have an appointment set up to get the suspension replaced. So this car is going to get a good wash, good engine cleaning. I did it to this engine about a couple days ago. Degreased it, power washed it, air compressed it, dried it. I mean, it's looking beautiful under here. Really, really nice. So yeah, I'm going to do the same treatment to this one tomorrow. I'm going to take you guys inside. I'll show you that suspension kit and bring you guys along. Stay tuned. And we're back. So this box right here, though, that's the both lower control arms. And if we come over here, see we have some more goodies and some packages. This box right here is the two upper control arms. I can't really name the top of these parts off the top of my head. But if you guys could look, you know, it comes with new washers, new cotter pins, new nuts. The upper A-arms, it does already have the ball joints on them. And this is like the suspension, the steering, like the end rods, I think they're called. The sway bar links, or this, I think that's what they're called. Forgive me if I'm not getting the correct name for each of them, but yeah, I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in doing this to your car. This wasn't cheap, but it needed to be done. Definitely needed to be done. But yeah, that box over there, that's the two lower control arms, and it does have the ball joints on that one also. So yeah, this car is going to be getting a new suspension. But like I said, if you guys are interested, I'll put the link in the description. I know it's not for everybody to do, but I've ordered from TRQ before, excuse me. New window regulators in my car, and you know, I have faith in them and I like the products. I did order from 1A Auto, so I'm assuming TRQ is, I guess, part of them, or is their trademark, whatever. But yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.